Hi my friends, and welcome back to our structural text programming tutorials. In this lesson we will try to do one or two examples of the function, and after that we will switch to our next lessons. So firstly, let's add our function in our Codesys program, Codesys Studio. We choose the function and let's write the function which convert temperature to Fahrenheit, and let's use the real number for this, and our function is tc convert temperature convert. Press OK button, and here we have our function, our var input block and var end and var blocks. So we have only one input, it's our temperature in Celsius. Let's write it like the temp C, and we write in real. Sorry, let's write in capital. And the output is as I said in previous lesson, must be the same name of our function. So let's copy this and write the output like this. Our temp C is multiplied by the 9.0 and divide by 5.0 and plus 32. Now let's compile, and we have one error. And what does it mean? At last, okay, it's not error in our function. We have the error in our main programs because we are not declared the variable. And now let's declare our variable and test the function. So now let's declare our function, variable, and convert the temperature to, let's write it like this, is there. Our real number. Let's do it 9 and 6, and it's our real. And also let's declare the variable that get the converting value from our function. Convert, and here let's send our temp C1. Close this one and press enter. Temp if also real. And now let's compile again our project. We don't have any errors. Online, login, and run. Now you see we can convert our temperature from the Celsius to Fahrenheit, and I think we can make another one example. Let's click the log out, and now let's write program which calculate the average. Let's add our object. We can write a more complicated function, my friends, but it's take more time. I think you can do it by yourself in your home, and when you think about the function, I think you can learn the algorithmic thinking in your mind, and it's help you in your future works when you try to write the program in the structured language. Let's choose the real and let's write it val average. Press OK button, and here for average we must have two inputs. Firstly it's val 1 is the real, and next one is the val 2 is also real. Press enter, and here for var I think let's use the sum variable, which also the real data type. Close this one. And here we write our output variables and sum variables. Here let's use yes sum is equal to val 1 plus val 2. Also sum is the equal to sum divided by 2, and also we need the return value which have the same name like our function val av, and it's equal to our sum variables. Now let's compile our project again, and we don't have errors, and let's use our function. And I think let's try to use it like this. Average 2 is equal to val average, and we use the two variables. It's our value 1, and let's make it equal to 59.2, and value 2, and it's equal to 64.5, and close this one. Firstly, average is the real number. Press OK. Then we have the value, but it's not declared here. Why, I don't understand. Let's declare it here. It's the value 1. Maybe we get error after compile, but let's try it together. And also real. So now value. Now let's compile the project. Yes, we have the problems. Look with this callable one, and here we also have the problem. Okay, let's do it like this without this value. Now compile it again. Now we don't have errors, and login and run. Now yes, our average is working now, but I think let's try to send the variable to our function. Value 1 is equal to 9.2, and value 2 is equal to 40. 64.5. And now let's send the value 1 and value 2. Value 1 and send the value 2. Let's send it now. Firstly build our project and login and run again. Yes, it's working now, but I don't understand why we cannot send the pre-initial value to our function. I think in the future lesson we will try to do it again. So my friends, that's all for today, and I wish you all the best, and I wish you good health and good luck. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoy the video. See you in the next lesson.